description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got something a little lot different. My wife spotted this at Walmart. This is great value ramen flavored snack mix. It's got ramen pieces, toasted corn, sesame sticks, peanuts, cashews, soybeans, edamame, and ramen flavor seasoning. And the prep for this is easy. It's open the bag and eat it. But here is what it looks like. It's, it's snack mix. So we'll zoom in on that a little bit for you. Look at that. Here you are. Welcome. So these are the ramen bits. This is not focusing correctly. So this is like, I remember I did reviews way back of a lot of snacks, and this is those translated to or as leisure meatballs. I remember that very well. Yeah, let's try a leisure meatball. Yeah. Salty, soy saucy. So I tried this yesterday. It's not bad. I like the peanut content. I like the cashew content. Always been a junkie for sesame sticks. But then you get into the stuff like the edamame. Is that this? He's like, there's soybeans and edamame. That's probably the edamame. But wait, wait a second. Isn't edamame and soybean the same thing? It is. I'm sure of it. Huh. But the crunchy edamame and the corn nuts, it's a little different texture, but I think if you omitted those, it'd be way better. It's just like, you got everything, it's working well, and then you've got those guys kind of screwing up the party. Oh yeah. I mean, it's good. I could easily sit here and eat a lot of this kibble. I've always been a big fan of snack mixes. So let's see what we end up with here. I would do a little bowl. That is what we call a little bowl. We'll add some in. I want to make sure that there's some ramen pieces on top so nobody gets all weird about it. Don't know what else to do with it. I was thinking of adding some of the May stuff to it, but I don't know. If I don't like it, then it's kind of a waste. Wow, I'm eating this stuff, so I think I probably would, but yeah. Or right, Rosanna. Do your stuff. Anyways, yeah, that's not bad. I mean, it's enjoyable. I like it. I would eat that on the reg. You know, I don't tend to eat a lot of snack mix these days, but that one is all right. So it's just those crunchy bits kind of screw it up, but whatever. Anyways, yeah, you can find it at Walmart. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.